Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So today's video is the long awaited video. I've gotten so many DMs about this video. It's finally here. Today we're going to be reviewing the Dark and Lovely Au-Naturale collection. So this one right here. I bought this collection while I was in Zimbabwe. Most of you know if you watched the video from last week about my natural hair and Zimbabwe experience. So these are the 5 items that I purchased. There are apparently 6 items in the collection, but unfortunately I didn't manage to get the 6th item. The 6th item is like one of these tubes, but it's the Afro pudding, I think. I didn't manage to find it. I tried, I looked high and low, I couldn't find it. So today we're going to be reviewing the 5 out of these. So this is the last time that you guys will see me seated here. I'm going to go try these items out and we're going to discuss them as I try them out in the bathroom.
So I'm just going to start off by wetting my hair. I'm going to start off with wet hair because you always got to work with wet hair. And I'm going to section my hair into 4 different sections so that I can manage things a little bit better. And I'm going to be starting off now with the Dream Clean 3-in-1 Cleansing Conditioner. And this is just a normal consistency. The smell isn't amazing or anything, it's just a general smell. At first glance, the cleansing conditioner is quite tough to actually apply on the hair. It sort of resists a little bit like being applied on the hair. And my hair was actually wet, so maybe you actually need to have damp hair for it to sort of slick on the hair. It does not have much slip, to be honest, if any slip. I'm sure you can probably see in the video that my hair sort of looks a bit dry. It's actually wet. But I think we just got to bear in mind that this was a cleansing conditioner, so it's not meant to have slip or be used for detangling, which is why I was detangling it with my fingers instead of a comb. After washing my hair with the cleansing conditioner, I'm going to go in with the shampoo. I'm going to go in with the Moisture-Replenishing shampoo, and this is in the mango. It's got the newer design. Can I just say, guys, the smell of this shampoo is beyond what I've ever experienced in my life before. Sis was getting high on her own supply. So I'm going to start off by applying it onto my hair. After applying the cleansing conditioner, this was a bit of a weird texture, but majority of these products sort of leave your hair a little bit dry. It's a bit weird. I've never experienced this before. But the shampoo was really good. It did cause my hair to knot up a lot. I'm going to show you guys soon that my hair wasn't allowing me to run my fingers through it. Like, it caused a lot of tangling of my ends and made my hair quite dry. So I wasn't a big fan of this shampoo. I loved the smell of it and all, but wasn't a great fan. Then I'm going to go in with the Not Out Detangling Conditioner. And this conditioner was a lot better than the cleansing conditioner. It had a lot of slip. I was able to actually properly detangle my hair. And it was just sort of like a normal, detangling conditioner. It didn't have as much slip as the normal conditioners that I use, and I didn't really enjoy it as much as I normally do when I'm detangling my hair, but it sort of did the job. One thing that I have to commend is the curl definition. This set or this conditioner brings your curls out. Your curls are popping. Can you guys see my curls here? I've never seen my curl pattern that defined ever. So this range I think is really, really great for defining your curls and bringing out your curls and stuff. But if you're wanting to have a deep, sort of condition and detangling, I would recommend using a different shampoo. So I'm going to leave this in for 10 minutes. I'm going to rinse it out and then start styling my hair. So after rinsing it out, as you guys can see, my hair strangely looks dry, but it's actually not dry, it's wet. So I'm going to start using the Plaiting pudding. From the get-go, the Plaiting pudding doesn't smell too great, as you can see by my face, but the consistency is not like I've ever experienced before. Maybe because this is a pudding and not a moisturizer or a leave-in conditioner, but I really wasn't a big fan of the texture. It was sort of dry on my hair, like my hair felt really dry and unmoisturized, and it was quite a bit tacky on my hair as well, so that was an interesting feeling. So after that, I'm gonna go in with the Keep Calm Anti-Itch Scalp Soother on my parts, just to make sure I don't get any dandruff, and just try all of the products out. I'd already tried this one out anyway. So after that, I did my hair and I went to bed. The next morning was very interesting. My hair felt very dry. I had a lot of curl definition though, but my hair was really dry. Even taking out my braids, it felt a little bit weird and as if I had done my hair without any product in it. Just my hair dry as is. One thing I can rave about is the curl definition of the Plaiting pudding and just all the products as a whole. I think the Plaiting pudding would be really great for a wash and go, as in you wash your hair and you put this product in and you just allow your definitions and your curl to flourish and you allow your hair to be out like that. I'm not a big fan of wash and goes and wearing my hair like that, so I really wasn't too impressed by the results that I got from this set or the Plaiting pudding. It's really not my go-to. I would love to try it again as a wash and go just to see how it goes. But in terms of like as an overnight leave-in type thing, I really don't think this is a moisturizing product, especially for type 4B, type 4C hair. This product really made my hair quite dry actually, and I was a bit worried by how dry my hair was. I really wanted to add some oil and stuff like that, but I wasn't able to do that because I just wanted to show the products working on their own. To me, to be honest, it looks like I haven't really done much with my hair. It looks like what my hair would normally look like if I was to wash it and then just allow it to air dry and comb it out a little bit. This is what my hair would look like. So obviously, having put product in and put a lot of effort in, I was expecting some greater results, some more volume, some more length, but it seemed like the product actually shrunk my hair, which is expected because the first ingredient in the product, especially the Plaiting pudding, is water, so it is going to cause my hair to shrink again. So yeah guys, that's my review and my thoughts on the Au-Naturale collection. It's a great collection, smells nice, but I think it's really great for maybe the looser curls, maybe 4A, 4B, but in terms of like the 4B, 4C type hair, it's quite drying and quite tacky, and it leaves a bit of a residue, quite dry and quite tacky. I would love to try it out and do a wash and go just to see how it goes with the wash and go. Maybe that will be, I'll try and do that in one of the videos to come.
So yeah, I hope you guys have liked this video. I hope you liked the review. I will see you guys next week. I love you guys so much.